Hello angels and welcome to today's video. That's right, it's another Football Friday. It's time to select another team from the 24 remaining NFL teams, and I have to do a makeup look inspired by the colors of that team. So if you want to see what team is chosen and how I do my makeup, keep on watching. Alright guys, it's time for Google to select the team from the 24 remaining teams and do a makeup look inspired. I'm shuffling the cards up. Please choose a number between 1 and 24.
Coming right up. 19.
19. 1, 2, 3, 16, 17, 18, 19. It's the Pittsburgh Steelers. And we know what colors those are. Black and yellow. Alternate color is gold. You get some inspiration and I'll be right back. Use the Loreal True Match on my eyelids to kind of get a nice neutral base there. For those of you that don't know, the Pittsburgh Steelers is mine and my husband's favorite team. We went on a cruise. Some of the Pittsburgh Steelers players, past and present, all of them, very amazing people. I wanted to do some light, pretty, fun makeup today, but I guess that's not gonna happen. I'm wearing black and gold. Not mad about it. I have these beautiful bright eyeliners. A lot of you may know that the Pittsburgh Steelers on their helmet have the 3 stars, the yellow, the red, and the blue. I'm thinking to incorporate that in my look today. Bear with me. I have a blue one, I have a yellow one. I've never used these. They're both NYX. This one is the Vivid Brights, and this is the colored felt tip liner. And I don't have a red one. I have a red lip liner, which will work just as good. Yeah, it's pretty red. So I'm thinking a red lip liner. Maybe do some stars up here in the corner. But obviously we have to start out with the black and gold. Look at these new palettes I got. I was so excited to get these. Look at this. Look at that. That's pretty. They're so pretty colors. Nope. Look at this one. All these colors. Like I got so many more choices now. Nope. Urban Decay Distortion palette. Really great black. I have a couple of different eyeliners that are gold. This one's a rose gold, L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and this one is by Rimmel. It's called Ink Me. Right now I'm just gonna zoom you in and get started on my eyes.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Steelers. Here we go. Pittsburgh's gone to Super Bowl. Here we go.
I'm going to start with, of course, the black eyeshadow base, fade that up, and then I'm going to incorporate the stars around my eyebrow and some gold wing liner. I want to really pack that black color on, so I'm going to use this Wet n Wild packing brush. And I'm going to pack it on the lid and fade it up. I don't know if I have a brush tiny enough to do the stars. Maybe I need some tape. I'm scared. Alright. You see I'm just gently packing that on and I'm working my way up. I have it nicely packed dense on the lid. And don't worry about the outside, I'm going to clean that up later. I'm going to use a softer brush to fade that black up, and this one looks perfect. It is by Elizabeth Mott. It's a tapered bent blending brush. I think it came in BoxyCharm last month. And blend that black up. Out really good. I'm gonna go ahead and complete the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright angels, both eyes are caught up to where I want them to be. You can see I've really blended the black out. So from here I need to complete the rest of my look so that I can do my Steelers logo up on my brow and add a gold liner. Because I have thought about this one many times. Equate, which is, I believe it's a Walmart brand. Equate, yeah. Has come out with a new line of brushes, which I'm going to test out applying the rest of my makeup. And I will let you know. I think that one is gonna, they're very affordable, obviously. I think the most expensive one was like $4. To use them to apply my makeup today and enjoy. Guys, all my makeup is complete. Of course, as always, a list of products will be down below in the description. And next up, I'm going to use this Rimmel gold eyeliner, and I'm going to do a nice big wing liner on here. Heavily hooded eyes, it's a trick, but it's not impossible. Start with the outer edge, create that line where you want it to be. Do that on both sides. Make sure you have it exactly how you want it. And then from there, you can go ahead and connect your wing. Do the same thing on the other side, pulling that skin nice and tight, but not too tight because that eyelid skin is so delicate. So I'm going to go ahead and let that dry, and then I'm going to apply a second coat just so I can see if I can make that gold really pop. Okay, so we have the yellow, the blue. Now they're different. The yellow is more like that Rimmel liner, where it's this kind of a brush thing. And then the blue, which is what I like, is a felt tip. It is yellow, red, and blue. So I'm going to start off with the yellow. I'm just going to do it on this one side here and see how that comes out. 4-point star is what it is. So I'll start by doing a little line and then across, right? And then Really just kind of feeling a little eyeliner brush, and I'll use that to apply the red. Might even be able to use like a red lipstick. Oh, that might even be better. I think I'm gonna do that. Let me see. Right. I'm gonna use this NYX Slip Tease, and it's in the color Red Queen. Now that's the red I was looking for. I'm gonna try with the first line and go from there. Just doing a light touch and creating that little cross. And making the rest of my star. Let's move on to the blue. And this should be easier because it's felt tip. So I created the little cross motion there. And then fill in the star. I think I'm just gonna leave it on the one side because I think that looks pretty cool. Put some gold shadow underneath, maybe smoke it out with a little black. I think that sounds good. So I'm going to get that set up, find a gold color, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is probably one of the best gold colors that I have found. It is by NYX, it's called Gilded. Oh, this is a Morphe M421. I'm back into the Urban Decay Distortion palette. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that underneath and just smoke it out. Go back in with my MUA smudge brush and just soften that edge. I think what I'm going to do is just put the gold on the inner corner. Now apply a little Fix Plus onto this, I think this is just a Ulta brand brush. It's just a round brush, flat. A little bit on my brush here. Both sides, and then go into the inner corner with that gold. On the other side. I would love to say that I'm gonna try a different black liner, but we know I'm not. I'm gonna go ahead and do some mascara, liner, and some lipstick, and come back with the finished product and show you all about it. All right, I'll be right back, angels.
What's that? Is that our? Oh, you got to do it today, huh?
Yes, I did. Finally.
That looks really good. I like that gold on your line, on your eye right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
In the inside there, or this, or the line?
Yeah, the line.
Sorry, it wasn't last week, but you know.
That's okay.
All right, angels, this is the completed look. I finished up with a little bit of Milani Amore Shine in the shade Temptation, and I think it adds the proper drama that we need for this type of look. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single view that I get. Also, do be an angel, click subscribe, then smash that notification bell so that you get a notification each and every time I upload a video. All you angels should leave me a comment because I really love hearing from you. Don't forget to please follow me on all my other social media. I have Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all at Angels Makeup Mayhem. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Steelers, back in fans. We are from Pittsburgh, the 6-time Super Bowl champions.